Hey Myron, I'm sorry. I should have been honest with you. I wasn't used to being treated so good that I just freaked out and hurt you. I am so sorry. I don't love him. I'm so stupid for leaving you and giving you up.
Girl, you haven't called me in a minute. I was thinking we were close, but right now I feel the distance. I can't talk about the moments, cause the truth I really miss it. But right now we feeling anger and we never wanna listen. Tell me how the fuck we made this happen. Didn't even wanna date you, but in truth you made me happy. I remember digging deep, love it when you call me daddy. Eat your body for an hour, girl, you know I was a savage. Guessing what she told me was a lie. Now I'm picking up the pieces, trying to navigate my life. I remember all the nights where I thought I wanna die, but then you went and grabbed my hand and you led me to the light. Loving you, it didn't really matter, cause you knocked me off the top. Now I'm back to climbing ladders. Girl, you didn't know my life, but in truth you made it better. Maybe in another life we can fight and stay together.
I miss you so much. Please, give me another chance. I don't want to be this person. I want to be who I was when I was with you. I love you.